Oh, what the fetch is up, guys? It's been a while. I'll be honest. I've been running seminars slash webinars for a group I'm in called Ultra. It's been fetching awesome. Really enjoyed it. I have been working on this quite a bit actually, PlayBook, but I haven't made. I made a lot of progress. I'm pretty proud of my progress. So we're gonna continue the work today. Just keep going at it. New Year's goal, honestly. I realized just how much I just absolutely love uh, programming, especially the programming with AI. It's fetching amazing. And so, I mean, I'll be trying to program at least 1 hour per day on my projects just because I really enjoy it. Recharges me, fills me up, and I'd like to stream at least twice a week as I build. I just feel like it's a good way to get the message out there, throw out some informations, let people know that progress is being made, all that good stuff. So, PlayBook. I'm also still working on the game with my wife on Dad Bod. So, for all the Dad Bod peoples out there, just know that I am working on it slowly, and I've iterated on lots of different ideas and created lots of different mini games, but none of them really worthy of being out in the wild yet. Look, no wait. Any. All right. She doesn't like being on camera that much. But I'm excited to be here with you guys. Thank you so much for joining. It looks like Restream is updated. I can actually see the people who are watching on X now, which is fetching dope, dude. That's awesome. I love that. So for those who are watching, welcome. Happy to have you. Let's begin. So right now I'm actually working on an AI chatbot for PlayBook. Screen one. Yeah, so I'm working on an AI chatbot. And honestly, I need this, and I'm building it because I like to embed AI into PlayBook, into every single one of the books, so that you can either talk with the book, you can have a specialized AI agent that does or requires the user to perform some kind of task or gets information from the individual before it allows them to move on, different things like this. Like, just to give you a quick example of PlayBook itself, really quick, just so you see those who are here, you can see where we're at. I'm pretty excited about this, honestly. So, for example, like you just have chapters, right? So I can move through these chapters, I can click on something, I can copy the text, and I can move through. And the coolest part about PlayBook is that you have these interactive experiences, and I can build these interactive experiences however I like. So in this case, it asks me for the first name, and I'll just say, instead of Joe, I'll say Sterling. I'll submit that, and I'll hit next. So now my name is used throughout the rest of the book. And so now the book, the entire book actually, uses my name throughout. And this is just an example of what I call, in this case, it's book variables. And so just like in a video game, how you get to choose the main character's name, you get to choose your character's name, you can do that in your book now, which I think is really, really cool. And with AI generated content, you can make super awesome stuff all throughout. And that gets me fetch and pumped as well. But just imagine that instead of here, you have an AI agent. And that's what I'm working on right now. It's a bit more complicated, or I guess not complicated, but tedious than I was initially intending it to be. So we just gotta keep taking cracks at it until we get it to work as intended. But that is PlayBook right now. We've got our chapters, we can navigate chapters, and I'm super excited about these experiences, and I plan on creating just having 3 books in the PlayBook platform when it's released, just so people can see a self-help book, a programming book for just teaching that lets people write Python code in the game, in the book, like execute stuff on the fly. So we have fiction dope. And last but not least, a fiction book that lets people choose the character's main name, lets them do different things as they desire. So let's begin. All right, just taking a look at what we've got so far. Let's see, working on Chatty. I'm only gonna be here for 1 hour, so. All right. Main thing that I need to do, you guys can probably hear in the background some fun. Side. And last but not least, they added some New Year music. Let's play some music, guys. Like it. All right, so first thing for me to do. Yeah, that'll help. All right, so first thing for me to do is set up a system, basically create all of these different objects that I could receive from OpenAI, and really only have them use programmatic objects instead of dictionaries. Because just using dictionaries, it's a little bit like the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript. TypeScript, you can define all of the things that will be in there. That's super nice, and that is something that I would like to do. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So let's create all of our OpenAI types, OpenAI data types, and this music is hopping, guys. Let's go. All right, step 1, let's create a process for this so we can let AI do the majority of our work for us, because we like that. We like that a lot. Right. So we got their API reference, assistant, the assistant object. Just call it an assistant. Looks good to me. Save that. We'll compact everything. Perfect. Please step details. I do want that to be a diction object as well. Whatever. I got more than 3 arguments. Okay. Oh, looks like that was not what I wanted. Hold up. Did I go runs? What is this? What did I just copy? Okay, this is not an assistant. Something else. I'll figure it out in just a sec, I'm sure. That wasn't quite what I was looking for, but I call you OpenAI something, because I don't know what you are. Let's see, main description, instructions. Alright, there's our OpenAI assistant. So I'm creating models for both the outgoing and the incoming stuffs. I don't know what you are. I'm wondering if this is the best approach, because I kind of like this format. I'll keep this information here as is, just because I do like the way that it's laid out in this way. And if I'm ever querying data, then I can deconstruct it into this. I just need to create a from JSON, and I can pass it a dictionary and create my from JSON object. So that should work just fine. Yeah, so the main thing I need to be focused on right now is turning these returns into JSON objects, or just into actual objects that I can play with, because if they aren't, then just working with the JSON, like a dictionary, gets a little bit confusing, and I like strictly defined types in my code. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so open this here. Created an assistant. So that's Python, it's GDScript, not Python. The tools is array. This is so cool, man. Like I'm impressed. This is awesome. Yeah, that's impressive. Let's accept all that. Honestly, like it looks good to me. Totally fine with this. Looks like you already showed. Cool. Name is not valid. Would be nice if I could generate all of this code. Maybe I could write something to do it for me. If any of these objects change, it's going to be a little bit annoying to go back through here and fix them. All right, so we have our assistant response. Let's see. Just taking a look at Chatty. Create open AI thread. Extends. Counted. Easy. All right. What's next? And create a message. This guy. This is content. There's lots of different types here. It's crazy. For now, I'm just going to leave the annotations as a dictionary. Totally fine with that. Just because I don't care to dig that deep into it, and I don't know, at least at this point in time, I don't have plans to implement that. I should say, more accurately, it is not useful for me at this current point in time. So this is good. Now, it's super nice having AI write basically all of this for me, though. I got to say. Look at that. Isn't that just awesome? Isn't that just great? Okay. Content. Not quite what I was looking for, but I guess that works. Message content. Open message content text. Couldn't find opening message content image file. There we go. I'm not sure what I changed, but I copied it and now it works. Great. Happy with that. All right. We're just about running out of time. So we are going to, we're going to implement it. We'll do the thing. So OpenAI Assistant is not going to return a dictionary. It is going to return a create assistant response. Oh. There we go. Our create OpenAI thread. No. Create a message, OpenAI, create message, call response. All right. Well, I didn't really finish. We still have runs, we still have list run steps, we still have retrieve run, we still have upload files to OpenAI, we still have a lot of stuff. But honestly, that's okay. It generally takes some time to write out all of these different things, but it is 100% always worth it to have actual objects instead of just dictionaries that you're playing with. It's way too easy to lose yourself in those and have the wrong data. I've had friends who have I have friends who have spent days trying to debug code because all they were using was dictionaries and JavaScript, which is why TypeScript was invented. So it's just generally faster. For example, I could change this instead of being a dictionary, I could change it to be an OpenAI tool, which I think is better. Right. Well, I'm gonna keep going because this is important, and I would like to finish it and get it all working, so at least it's in the same place it was when I started, but further along because we've got solid data. So what's next? We'll just keep going through our list. You are done. You are done. List messages. List messages. ID object created at thread ID role. I'm just gonna call you a message. OpenAI message. Looks like I can use you in a lot of different places. Well, that was easy. Awesome. Retrieve message. Both will be pretty much the same. Yep. OpenAI message. Boom. Create message. Boom. Create run. Okay, that's a good one, I think. I think this is what I actually created. This is my AI something. We've got an object created at run ID. I don't know. I still have no idea what this is, but we can. We got create run, we got list run steps. So next up is our run step object. All done. Alright, step details. We've got message creation, tool calls. Alright, step details. We've got message creation. Okay, I think I might leave that as a dictionary for now. It looks like it gets a little bit. We got a message creation, we got tool calls. The tool calls has an array of 3 potential types. I suppose they do have a type in there that makes it super easy to parse. No, I want to stream actually.
Pardon me?
I want to stream. Yeah. That's my dad. But it's been an hour, guys. You probably heard my family in the background. Things are getting lively here, so I'm going to drop off. It's been a pleasure having you. Happy fetching New Year's to all of the peeps. And see ya.